Hello all of you, I am Hani Santosh Sankhi. I am from SAS Institute of Management. Today I am going to start about PowerPoint presentation for financial accounting. My topic name is balance sheet. So what is balance sheet? Balance sheet is a financial statement of the company in which include assets, liabilities, equity, capital, total debt, etc. At a point in time, balance sheet include assets on one side and liabilities on the other side. Lender use balance sheet analysis to make lending decisions and monitor the financial progress of their customer. So basically बैलेंस शीट्स क्या होता है, जो भी कंपनी का फाइनेंशियल एक्टिविटीज़ होता है मीन्स डेट, कैपिटल, असेट्स, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, ट्रांजेक्शन, ये हम बैलेंस शीट में एनालिसिस और क्लियरली देख सकते हैं, इसको बैलेंस शीट कहते हैं। मीन्स बिल्डिंग का बहुत बड़ा स्ट्रक्चर है, बहुत कंपनी का नाम है, तो हम एनालाइज नहीं कर सकते कि कंपनी का ग्रोथ हो रहा है, क्या वो लॉस में है। सो ये पूरा एनालाइज करने के लिए हम बैलेंस शीट बनाते हैं, और बैलेंस शीट कर देख के हम कंपनी का जो डाटा है, मतलब उसके पास बैंक का लोन है या और कुछ है, ये हम क्लियरली देख सकते हैं। दिस इज़ अ बैलेंस शीट। सो लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। Purpose of balance sheet: everything borne by a business or individual at a given point in time. Assets, liabilities, owner equity, and net worth. Net worth means balance. Owner equity is equal to assets minus liability. So let's see the general format of balance sheet. These are assets, liabilities, owner equity. Assets में भी types है, current assets, non-current assets, total assets, liability, current liabilities, non-current liabilities, total liabilities, owner, owner equity, total liabilities, owner equity. So what is assets? And assets can be sold to generate additional cash. मीन्स हमारे पास जो भी कंपनी का खुद का है उसको हम असेट्स कहते हैं। मीन्स व्हाट, बिल्डिंग है, कंप्यूटर्स है, ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए ट्रक्स है, इट इज लायबिलिटीज एंड ऑब्लिक और डेट बोन टू समवन एल्स, एंड आउटसाइडर क्लेम अगेंस्ट वन और मोर एसेट्स ऑफ द बिजनेस। मीन्स व्हाट, bank's loan is a liability, EMI paid to is a liability. These are a liability section. Owner equity: the amount of the money left for the owner if the assets were sold and all liabilities paid, also called as net worth. The owner current investment in the business. Equity is equal to total asset minus total liabilities. Advantages of cost basis market or market basis balance sheet. So cost basis, first of all, cost basis and then market basis. Cost basis, cost basis, confirm of GAAP means what? General accepting accounting principle. Company are responsible for cash flow, profit making operation to identify the sheet. Then next, conservative. Conservative means you as a business should anticipate and record future losses. These are analyze the losses rather than future gains. Then comparable with balance sheet from other types of business. Changes in equity come only from net income and has been earned and retained. Market basis: more accurate indication of the current financial condition, shows the current value of the available collateral. Then disadvantage of the balance sheet: balance sheet do not show true value of asset. Historical cost is criticized from this inaccuracy since it may not reflect current market valuation. Some of the current assets are valued on a estimate basis, so the balance sheet is not a position or to reflect true financial position of the business. The balance sheet cannot reflect user asset which cannot be expressed in monetary terms such as skill, intelligence, honesty and loyalty of work. So this is a numerical of balance sheet. The following trial balance sheet is prepared after preparation of income statement for Evergreen as 31 March 2020. So prepare balance sheet question. These are showing the given data to calculate and prepare the balance sheet. So let's begin. Furniture, vehicle, inventory, bank capital, loan from ABC Bank, trade receivable and trade payable, net profit, drawing. These are the shown over. These are the debit side, these are the credit side. So balance sheet. Solution is a current assets, liabilities and capital, non-current liabilities and current assets. Thank you.